Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can change your name on Hilokal language app. So you can see it's your home page of Hilokal, and then click here your profile page. You can see the option like this one. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you'll get your profile page. Then click here the pencil icon, this one. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you'll get your name. You can see here your name. So I'm going to click, but I changed recently. You can change your name once in 14 days. You cannot change your name for 14 days. So I just recently changed, that's why. But if you did not change before, then you can see here and you can give your name here, and after that click save. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today is Norman, thank you for watching.